Welcome to the first video in B05, an introduction to OR. So what we're going to talk about in this course is the resources, times, and aims in this particular video. And then we'll move on to other videos talking about why would we want to learn to code with R for managing data, running R commands in the RStudio environment, using this fantastic tutorial called Swirl to learn OR in different speeds that we might all want to do. We'll talk about vectors, variables, and operators, which is the very basic components of learning to code with R. And then we'll talk about data frames, which are also known as tables. And we'll talk about placing basic plotting with R as well. So that's what we're going to cover in this course. There's a lot of resources that are available, and this is just some of them listed here. The Swirl Stats tutorials are where I would start. I would go there, and we'll talk about that during the course as we go along. The carbon trees are also very, very useful, but maybe for more advanced topics, more so than the very basics ones that we're focusing on in this course. So what we're trying to do is learn basic R, including the basic data structures like variables, vectors, tables, and their inbuilt functions. We're going to learn how to read files in and out of R, so we can read in data and export it in a format that is useful for us to a particular folder that's useful. And we'll look at the basics of data manipulation to an extent if we have time. We might touch on loops briefly in this course as well. By the end of the course, we'll be able to write R code to use existing functions that are available inside R and its packages already. You'll be able to read data in and out and perform basic data queries and manipulations. So that's the end of this video. Please see the next video for more detailed information.